In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo, a professional looking logo, very quickly for free using Canva. I use Canva almost every day in my business, and it's one of my favorite tools to use. So you can get to Canva by using the link I've placed below this video. It is an affiliate link, so if you ever upgrade your subscription to the paid version, I may get a small commission at no additional cost to you, so thank you for supporting my business. But you can use the free version of Canva for as long as you'd like, and I actually did that for over a year or two before I finally upgraded to a paid subscription. So I love this product. Let me show you how easy it is to use it to create a logo. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks somewhat like this. Head over to the right upper corner and click on Create a Design. And as you can see, there's all kinds of templates for things you can design with Canva. It's incredible, but we are going to start with a logo. So you can click on that, or you can type in whatever you're looking for up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now we have a blank canvas, and on the left hand side you'll see we're in the template area of Canva. You'll see a number of template design options on the left here. So as you can see, there's animated logos, gaming, fashion, all kinds of logo templates. And you don't have to stick to one particular category. You can use any of these templates to create your own logo. So for example, I really like this one here, but let's click here and see what else is in here. We're going to create a logo for an artist today, so let's just start with that one. And let me show you how easy it is to customize the logo. So all you do is click on it, replace the text, and you're good to go. You can actually come up here and change the font. And let's say we're going to use a very modern or contemporary looking font, sans serif. There's all kinds of options here. So let's go with this one. Okay, so it's automatically replaced that here. And let's say we want to change the color. So all we do is click on it. So we're going to come up here, click on color, and as you can see, I now have a menu of color options. I have my color options here, and I can also create new colors by clicking on here, add a new color. You can use the slider. Okay. And let's say we're going to use kind of a blue-gray. Let's go with that color. You can come over here, select that font, click on text color, and it's going to save that color here for future reference. So I'm happy with that color. I like the background color. We can actually come in here and change that color as well if we wanted to, or maybe we'll make it a light gray. So let's go in. And you can see as you drag this around how the background changes, so you can really kind of preview things as you're working on it. So let's say we like that color for the background. So if you wanted to keep these colors as your brand colors, then you can always come, if you click on here, then we've got that color selected. You can see what the hex code for that color is here. You can copy this hex code and paste it into your little notes app, so you can keep it for future reference. Same thing here. If we were to select this color and click on this, then I can get the hex code for that color, make a note of it. Same thing here. So if we're happy with this logo, then all we have to do is come over here to download. And we're going to change this to a JPEG. We're going to slide this over to make it 100% in terms of quality. And at the moment it's 500 by 500 pixels. That's the default size. You can also increase that here. Okay, so the largest size here is 1500 by 1500. And you can go ahead and download that. As you can see, we now have a new logo for Miss Jane Doe.